The overall goal of this procedure is to visualize plasma membrane insertion of neuronal proteins. This is accomplished by first infecting cultured hippocampal neurons with SNDBIS virus to express the protein of interest, which is tagged with super-ecliptic fluorine or SEP. Next, a region of interest or ROI is photobleached. Then, flanking segments are repetitively photobleached while the original region of interest is allowed to fluorescently recover. Finally, the fluorescence recovery in the region of interest is analysed. Ultimately, this adaptation to conventional FRAP experiments is used to show the pattern of exocytosis events of the target protein in the plasma membrane.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like surface biotinylation or antibody feeding is that it enables the dynamics of membrane insertion events to be visualized.
These methods can help addressing key questions in protein trafficking, such as where and how exocytosis events occur.
I first had the idea of this method when I was looking for an alternative to turf imaging and to be able to study exocytosis events in spines in live cell experiments.
To begin, culture high-density hippocampal neurons from embryonic day 18 rat pups on polyal lysine-coated glass cover slips for 14 to 25 days in vitro. 6 to 24 hours prior to the live experiment, transduce the cells with SNDBIS virus encoding the membrane protein of interest, tagged with the super-ecliptic